Welcome back. Zilla Panchayat should be devolved due powers and funds. Prepare Anti-Defection Act before conducting Zilla Panchayat election on party lines. Mere delimiting seats will not help. This is what legal expert Radha Rao Gracia says. South Goa Zilla Panchayat chairperson Nelly Rodrigues feels that Zilla Panchayat election may be held on party lines, but not so soon. North ZP chairperson Jayesh Salgaonkar has completely turned down the concept of ZP election on party lines.
Work can be done. Today we have the Zilla Panchayats with no powers, no finances, and simply they are going on holidays here or there, some on trips here and there, study trips, but nothing to do. So what's the point in increasing the number of seats unless you give them powers? It is not exactly a bad idea. I would suggest that all elections should be on party lines, Panchayat, Zilla Panchayat, all. And the Anti-Defection Act must be first brought into force at a Panchayat level. If you are elected on a particular party seat, you cannot defect. You cannot change sides without the consent of the party.
The Zilla Panchayat in our meeting also, we have already opposed these elections on party lines. They say that states like West Bengal, Maharashtra, they have devolved the powers to a very large extent. So first they should devolve the powers and then talk about having elections on party lines. Also, having elections on party lines, at this short time for these elections at least it cannot materialize because the term is of the ZP is over in March 10th.
ह्याच्या पहिली सुद्धा मिटिंग आम्ही अपोज केल्लो आसा. ZP इलेक्शन पार्टी लायन्साक जावंक जायना. बेसिक रिजन इज जो 73rd अमेंडमेंट आसा तो डिफीट जाता. पार्टी आपलो कॅन्डिडेट इम्पोज करपाक ट्राय करतली. जरी लिडरशिप थंय बरी आसा तेका सायडीक करून तेका कडेक करून दुसरो कॅन्डिडेट थंय घालपाक ट्राय करतली आनी फोर्सिबली लोकांक थंय तेका वोट करचो पडटलो. सीट डिविजन विचार करता तर थोडो विचार करा की डिवॉल्व पावर कशें करतले काय म्हणून ZP फंक्शन कशें जातली हेजेर तुमी विचार करूंक जाय. हेजेर तुमी विचारूच करना.
Tourism Ministry has admitted that this tourist season isn't going on as expected. There is 35% downfall in charter tourists. Tourism Minister Dilip Parulekar has agreed that number of Russian tourists visiting the state has come down drastically. Minister also informed that few issues related to Daboli Airport have been discussed with the Civil Aviation Minister during his 3 days visit to Delhi.
As per the tourist arrivals, there are two types of tourists. One is a charter tourist, which there is a shortfall, which is anticipated around 35% right now.
Guidelines दिल्या की outside the country तुम्ही tourist म्हणून वचू नका unless and until official visit. त्या खातीर they can travel within a country. त्या खातीर आमचो ओवरऑल जो टुरिझम कमी जाला म्हणटा इवन रशियाचो सुद्दां न्हू. That is a major reason after that.
Additional parking of flights during night hours and varied other airport-related issues are being discussed with the Civil Aviation Minister Ashok Gajpati. Meanwhile, Nilesh Kabral informed that a bilateral agreement has been formulated and naval officials and AAI officials will be signing it by Monday.
खूबशी फ्लायटां जी आसा पळय ओवरनायट पार्किंग करतलो जाल्यार मेळना. हे डिटेलिंग जे कितें बारीक बारीक प्रश्न आसा आनी जेणे करून टुरिझमाक इफेक्ट जाता हेजो सगळो आढावो आमी 3 दिसाचे दिल्ली भेटीन आमी केलो.
There is a bilateral agreement which is being formulated and naval agencies maybe on Monday, Tuesday they are going to give to us, wherein an agreement between AAI, Airport Authorities of India, and naval is going to sign, and most of the issues we foresee that खंय तरी settle जातले इतल्या वर्षाचे विषय आसा.
Tourism Department also plans to market the small medium entrepreneurs to increase tourism in the state.
We are trying to derive a policy wherein we will market SME rooms, that is small medium entrepreneurs who have smaller rooms, who maybe have like homestays. We are making a policy shortly wherein we will take everybody on board and we will market them.
Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.